Yo, what's up? Alright, so today, same deal. Fucking same deal. Another Caveman vlog. We're gonna be doing some throwing today. I'm gonna try to see if I can get somebody to throw with me today so that I'm not throwing into a fence. Because I also want to, like, radar some of my pull downs and see, like, where I'm at. So we're gonna have to message somebody. But before that, we are going to stretch. Okay, guys, change of plans. Me and my girlfriend were supposed to go to a party tomorrow for a close friends of ours, and it turns out she can't go. She's leaving for the Philippines on Sunday, so I'm not gonna be able to see her. So today I said, like, let's just hang out today since I'm not gonna be able to see you tomorrow, and yeah, so we're gonna head out over there. So kind of got to scramble, get stuff done. I need to get ready right now. Yo, I have a guest. Yeah, it's my girlfriend. Okay, so, you know, it actually lucked out that she couldn't go to the party because I'm gonna do some, like, light throwing, and then I'm gonna do some pretty intense pull downs today. So we're going a little off script with the throwing program that I usually do, and we're gonna just kind of rip a few, see what happens. No, but I
think ornament thing? I don't know,
Okay, it's time to throw maybe 1 to 2 buckets today, and then I'm really just gonna emphasize on pull downs.
You know?
Okay, I would say I'm semi properly warmed up. Obviously I'm gonna do a few, like, practice pull downs and stuff. So my girlfriend's holding the radar gun. So we're gonna be doing obviously heavy ball stuff, so like 6 ounce, 7 ounce balls. 6, 7. So yeah, we're gonna be doing the 6 and 7 ounce balls. Obviously we're gonna start with the regular ball to get, like, some practice in, and then we're gonna just go drop straight to the 5 ounce after doing the 7. So here we go. Okay, time for the 6 ounce. See what you get. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to be able to throw this one harder than that one. I feel way more comfortable throwing the 6 ounce ball than the 5 ounce. I don't know why. For some reason, it feels like it takes less pressure off puts less pressure on my arm for some reason. Alright, guys, this might be the misread of the century. Oh, where is it? A little 87 mile an hour pull down with the 6 ounce ball. Okay. No, it's definitely a misread. If I hit this number again with this ball, then you know it was real.
89.
I think this shit is juiced. I just pulled down 89 with the 6 ounce ball. I don't believe that at all. But I just hit 87, and I don't know. I don't know how it can misread like that, you know what I'm saying? So, put in the comments below if you think that this is real. I guess we'll have to see with the 5 ounce ball if it's any different. Last one with the 6, and then we'll go to the 7.
But this was, like, off, like, to the left a little bit. 84.
Okay, that was a 7 ounce ball. And it was 84. I don't know, like, I'm not sure how, like, this radar gun has always been accurate for me. There's been a fair few times where, like, it has been outrageously bad, and that has to do with wind. So, like, it'd be like 120 miles an hour, and that's because of wind. And usually you get that if you're on the continuous mode. But my girlfriend's holding it, and it's popping up like 84. The first two were like 78, 79 with, like, the other, with the 6 ounce, and then it like kind of shot to 87. But the weird thing is, like, the 87 literally got stuck right behind the radar gun, and that's how it read.
And like when it kind of got, you said when it was like 79, it was off to the side. So like the 79 was like, wasn't directly behind the thing, it was kind of off to the side. So I think that it's pretty honestly, like I'm not trying, we'll see with the 5 ounce ball, but I think it's pretty accurate. Like if it's right, because we know that if it gets behind this, it's accurate. Or like 1 to 2 miles off. Or I think it's like 1 to a half mile off or something like that. There's no decimal points on this. So we're done with this now. That last one was 76, you said?
Yeah.
The last one was 76. I'm not really understanding what's going on with the radar gun. What I do know is that like that one was a bit over the radar gun and it read 76. The ones that had been directly behind it had been reading pretty high, so I don't know. Somebody who's pretty well versed in the pocket radar, let me know. I don't know if there's any like frequency something, but we'll see. We'll see right now. If I don't throw this ball harder than the 6 ounce ball, which was 89, then we know that it's false. We know that didn't make any sense because this is a lighter ball. I should be able to throw this harder.
81.
I don't know what the fuck happened. Those last like 5 ounce balls were all like 78 to 81. Or we got up to 82? Or no?
Yeah.
78 to 82 with a 5 ounce. And then like popped to 89 with the 6 ounce ball. It doesn't quite make sense to me. I think we just got a lot of misreads with it's kind of funny because like we got a lot of misreads with like the heavy balls and like no misreads with the fucking like regular baseball. And I wonder why that is. But got up to 82, that's cool. Definitely not what we wanted. But you know, what can you do? Yeah, honestly I think I was pretty just domed up about like the numbers. The numbers weren't really making sense to me, so I was like trying to figure that out while throwing. And I was trying to like base like the 5, obviously it makes sense to base a 5 ounce number off the 6, because why the fuck would you throw the 6 ounce ball harder? But yeah, so yeah, that's what happened today.